Hello everyone, welcome to Physics World. Today in this video we are going to see briefly about magnets. Magnetic field is affected by the same thing as the electric field, that is called as electric charge. Magnetism appears when the charge moves. It does not matter whether it is a single charge or bunch of charge moving through a long wire, and does not matter how the shape of the wire is. Moving charge affect the magnetic field. The two end of the wire is connected to the galvanometer. If I place the magnet nearer to the wire, the galvanometer shows the deflection. This shows that the charge is affected by the magnetic field. There are two kinds of magnet. One is permanent magnet, another one is electromagnet. At the end, we will see that both type of magnets are really caused by the same thing. That means moving charge. Permanent magnet. A magnetic material stays the magnetic behavior forever. In permanent magnet, at high temperature, it loses the magnetic behavior. Electromagnet. Electromagnet is created by the electricity. Basic properties of magnet. Based on the shape of the magnetic field, we know that two opposite sources. One is North Pole, another one is South Pole. All permanent magnets have at least one North Pole and South Pole. Even electromagnets have poles if they are shaped in certain way. How is a piece of material magnetic if there is no electric field? Reason behind this is quantum mechanics. To understand how something like this can be a magnet, we need to look closer. For that, we are taking iron atom. This iron atom is made up of 26 electrons, each electron arranged in orbital. Each orbital comes with variety of shape with set of available properties. Quantum particle can have all sort of properties, for example, energy, position, linear momentum and angular momentum and all the properties. The property the electron have in this orbital is angular momentum. In fact, we can measure both total angular momentum and total orbital angular momentum. For s orbital, angular momentum is 0. For p and d orbital, the angular momentum is non-zero. An electron which have non-zero angular momentum will act as a tiny magnet. Just having these properties enough to make a tiny magnet. This single electron has a property called spin angular momentum. It is not a motion, but it is a momentum, and that is enough for the magnetism. In atomic level, most of those electrons still pair up and cancel each other except 4 of them. Because the electron charges are in same direction, they repel each other. An atom which have more loner electron is going to be more magnetic. It happens in the middle of the blocks on periodic table. Getting loner electron isn't enough to make a magnet. You also have to get nearly the atom to line up with each other. And also get enough region of atom to line up. Here region means domain. The point is the magnetic material are hard to combine. There are only 4 elements that do this at room temperature. They are iron, nickel, cobalt and gadolinium. Now, what is magnet? Magnet are what when you get the charge moves or at least have the momentum. It's true if you are taking about a single charge or bunch of charge in a current or even the spin of the subatomic charge in a piece of iron. All magnets come from charges, so all magnets are electromagnets. Thank you.